Father, please clear my mind and give me the understanding and knowledge that comes only from you. Bless me as I take this competition and bring the information that I have studied to mind it when it is needed in this competition. Grant me a favor as I begin this competition.
Hello students, I am Pragya Patidar, class teacher of 10th A.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Chawda, class teacher of 10th B. We are going to give motivational words to students. Competition is always a good thing. It forces us to do our best.
After thinking and observing, the student will be able to express that emotion in the room sequentially.
Students can write beautiful text and correct spelling of the words. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I stand here as a judge of essay competition held in Don Bosco Academy, Alirajpur for 10th class. First of all, I thank teacher Priyanka and teacher Pragya for acknowledging me as a worthy person to judge this competition. Some of the students participated in the competition and they have really written well about the importance of knowledge and character in our lives. A person without knowledge and character is like an empty pot So we have to fill ourselves with knowledge and also make our character a good one. Knowledge is all around us. We have to observe things, experience things, and gain knowledge from the environment that we see around us. I congratulate all the students who participated in this competition, and here I announce their name. First position goes to Tapasya Jaiswal from 10th A. Second position goes to Samradhi Upadhyay from 10th B. And third position goes to Jigyasa Rathore from 10th B. I congratulate all of you once again and hope you will do better in the next competition. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tapasya Jaiswal from class 10 Don Bosco Academy. I thank my class teacher, Teacher Pragya, for giving me this opportunity to speak up on education and character. Education is the most important thing in today's world. We can easily identify the uneducated and educated person through their ethics. Hence, education develops your personality and makes you a good person. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samradhi Upadhyay from class 10th. Today I would like to tell about importance of knowledge and its characters. Knowledge is important to shape our personality and perfect our behavior to dealing with people. It is a key to removing the darkness of ignorance. Thank you to Don Bosco School because they kept this competition. From this competition, we learn many things and our writing skills also increase. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, teacher. My name is Jigyasa Rathore. I am studying 10th B. My topic name is Important of Knowledge and Character. Knowledge is a powerful and important part of life. A famous Sanskrit writer said them an educated person is honored everywhere. Character refers to some of any individual quantity and characteristic which different him/her from others. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I stand here to express my gratitude to all of these persons, those who are involved in this essay writing competition. I thanks to class teachers, Teacher Priyanka and Teacher Pragya, those conducting this competition. I also thanks to Mr. Amma, he judging the competition. Without participants, any competition would have not possible to take place. I give the thanks to my student, those who are participated in this competition. Once again, I thanks to all the persons involved in this activity to work hard and make it successful. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable.
A winner is a dreamer who never gives up.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you. Stay tuned.